Hello everyone, back with another game and an overview for it after about a long time. I'm glad to announce that recently I have created an account on itch.io, which is a website where one can upload his or her own game and can also join actual game jams. I recently joined one game jam called Wowie and I started and submitted my entry within 2 days. You can find my profile by simply searching Vector Sky in the search bar of itch.io after going to its link through your browser. So let's get started with the overview of the submission called the Space Wanderer. So on the fresh load of the game page, after the intro, we automatically start with the tutorial. It tells us the story of a spacecraft which lost connection with the control panel on land, getting lost in space. Using pre-installed power of resistance to asteroid hits in the spacecraft, you collect coins. This might amaze you as you would have been probably thinking that we have to dodge them, but not at all. I made the gameplay such like this as the theme for the game contest, of which this is an entry, is failure is progress. Unfortunately, you also keep on losing energy by 1 unit as you hit each asteroid. But you can regain them by 3 units by passing through between stars, as in your training for flying in space, you had came to know that stars actually provided energy to any working substance. Also, there is a twist added to the game that when you fall down to the black hole, you get sucked by it and game over. You also perish when your energy gets zero while crashing through asteroids. Therefore, you need to keep an eye on the energy limit at the top right too. After the tutorial, you are left on your own. After all of it ends, you are carried to the end screen showing the total number of coins collected in the journey. I will check the shop to find if I am eligible to buy anything or not. We have enough coins to purchase the coin doubler, which means that in place of 10 coins per asteroid crash, we will get 20. I will play quite a few times as I have kept a target for buying the missiles. Let's see. Yeah, looks like we can easily buy 10 missiles now. We have enough points. Let's press the play button and boom. Let me try shooting one by pressing the C key on my keyboard. If you are on mobile, you can simply press the missiles button at the bottom right too. Wow, the shoot was amazing. The advantage is that when you have already shot one missile, by the time it hits an asteroid, your spacecraft can make it to another one, making a double benefit. You can have ultimate fun. If you want to revise how to play the game, you can click the tutorial button in the home screen for going through the whole tutorial survey again. Hope you enjoy playing this game. The link is available in the description of this video. Please, please, please to subscribe to my channel and most importantly, like this video. Bye.